everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be testing out Poly Nail Gel. So I went to Amazon the other day and I picked out this nail kit, which has got 3 of the Poly Nail Gels and then 2 of these nail mould sets. So that is what we're going to be doing in today's video. I also picked out these 2 gel polishes, so one's a top coat and one's a base coat, and they are non-wipe, which was just easier to be fair. So picked up these are both from Lavender Violet, which I just found again on Amazon. I will link everything down below for you. So that was everything I picked up. I have my UV lamp and I have everything like the nail files, the nail primer, the cleanser, that sort of thing. So without further ado, let's go on with the video. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to file my nails just so they're all even and they've got no ridges in the ends. Okay, so all of my nails are now filed down, so this is how they are looking. They are honestly gross. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to file the top layer off my nails, just to get rid of any oils. Right then, so now that all of my nails have been filed and prepped, I'm now going to use the nail primer. I got this a few years ago, but it's still really, really good. It stinks, that's the only thing. Right then, so change of location. So now that my nails are all prepped and primed, I'm going to use this base coat by Lavender Violet, and I'm just going to use it on top of my UV lamp. And then I'm just going to cure it under the lamp for 120 seconds. So what's that, 2 minutes? Right then, so that is my nails all done from the UV lamp. Now, I need to go in with the moulds and pop a little bit of the gel on the mould and spread it out and then put it on my fingernail. So this one is just clear. I thought I'd go for clear and then I can paint over it. Right then, so I'm going to squeeze this on, like that, then spread it around with this brush. Spread it down the nail like that. Okay, and now I'm going to stick that onto my nail, like so. And then I'm going to do the rest to the others. So, they're out, they're done. Let's have a look. So now it says that you need to wobble them side to side to take the tip off. Look! Oh my goodness. Right, so this one, I put the gel right the way up to the top of the nail. So let's see if it comes off all the way up to the top. I don't think it will. It worked. Did it all the way up to the top. And it's not even that flimsy. Like, it is flimsy, obviously, but like it's not ridiculously flimsy. So this one is the only one that I'm a little bit worried about because I don't know if you can see, but it's sort of lifted away from the nail already. And I feel like that's just gonna make it look a little bit weird. Oh, there we go. Yeah, see, that looks a little bit weird. Can you see? Let's see if I can, there we go. Can you see it's not flat to my nail? So what I might do is I might get a little bit of the poly gel and I might put it just under there. Right then, so next I just need to cut them down because look at that. So I'm just gonna cut them down to probably about, I like them quite short. So I'm gonna cut them to about here, I think. So this one now is a lot shorter. So this is how they're looking now. So I'm just gonna try and maybe fix the ones that are a little bit dodgy, like my pinky is a little bit dodgy. I don't know if you can see that, and obviously my thumb. I need to cut my thumb down, just about there. So my thumb's looking a little bit dodgy, but I will try and fix that, and my little finger, my pinky. But I'm going to try and fix that now, and then I will come back to you to let you know how I get on. Okay, so sorry about the lighting change. It's gone dark outside. I've been doing this for so long. This hand is sort of done. Now, let me give you a close up. It's honestly so hard. Like, the best one is this one, but it's just too long. They're all not the same length. This one snapped whilst I was painting it. This one I couldn't get to stay on my actual nail. And then this one is a little bit dodgy. But, I mean, from a distance, they look fine. I feel like as well, if I was to do a lighter colour, it would be a little bit better. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to do the same on the other hand, because I haven't done this. I've been doing this for maybe like an hour now, but yeah, this is how they're looking so far. They do feel really nice and strong though. That is the one thing. But this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and make them a little bit more even across the moulds. I feel like that will make it a little bit easier to do, and hopefully this hand will look a little bit better than this hand. Okay, so now it's time to take off the moulds. Guys, what the hell? Look at this. Look at these three, so those two there and then my thumb, they look perfect. That is exactly what I wanted from this hand. I'm in love with the outcome of that. Obviously I need to cut down this one and this one. I put too much product on them, so I'm just gonna cut that down. What? That's crazy. Right, so now I just need to file them and paint them and then they're done. That was so much easier. What I might do is, after I finish this video, I will post on Instagram a picture of my nails completely finished, and I might soak these off and redo them the same way I did these, because I think they will look better. I also might change the colour, because I feel like it's because they're red, but I picked this colour because I have this colour on my toes. But I'll just change the colour on my toes. But I love it. Right then, so I have just finished this hand. I'm not going to keep this hand in shot because it's absolutely shocking. So I have just finished. So this is the final look and I'm absolutely obsessed. Obviously, if you're more into nails and things like that, you can make some really nice patterns and you can make them look so good. But I'm not very artistic and I'm not very good at things like that. But I've just gone for this really sort of subtle glittery nail varnish, which is this one by Maybelline. It's the Colour Show Crystallize nail varnish in the shade colour Rose Chic. So that's really nice. I've just popped that over the tops and I'm really happy with them. I feel like they just look really cute. This hand, on the other hand, isn't the best, and we're not going to talk about it. I'm going to sort it out and I will post a picture on Instagram for you to see. But I hope that you did enjoy this video, and thanks very much for watching, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye!